Okay, we have the same formation, bunch at the top of the screen, and the receiver reduced splits. This guy right here is going to jet motion across and actually come out on a wheel route himself, which is pretty tough to deal with. Goff will run play action to him, but the line will not block it that way. They will pass block, but it still sucks the linebackers in if you watch. So there he goes on his jet motion. The linebackers bump over. They're pass blocking. Now you watch this receiver here. He's going to occupy the safety by running a post route, but he really turns into like a really flat corner. By that time, he gets the free safety's hips turned, and what we can assume the corner passed him off if the safety wasn't there, will result in a touchdown. So even a two-man route sometimes can be effective. So if we go forward here a little bit, we'll do it in slow motion. Same thing, the linebackers bump over. So now they're in 2-by-2 in theory. They're pass blocking. And again, everyone's kind of frozen there, watching that pass blocking though, it was there, and you got a little touchdown. Go Sports.